Valentine's Week is a celebration leading up to Valentine's Day, observed from February 7th to February 14th. It's a time for expressing love and affection, especially between romantic partners, but it also includes celebrations of friendship, family, and self-love. The week starts on Rose Day, February 7th, where people gift roses to their loved ones, symbolizing love and admiration. This is followed by Propose Day, February 8th, a day for confessing feelings and proposing love. On Chocolate Day, February 9th, people exchange chocolates as a sweet gesture of affection. Teddy Day, February 10th, involves gifting soft toys like teddy bears to loved ones, symbolizing comfort and care. Hug Day, February 11th, is dedicated to the simple act of hugging, conveying warmth and emotional support. Kiss Day, February 12th, celebrates love through the intimate gesture of a kiss. Finally, Valentine's Day, February 14th, is the grand culmination of the week, a day to express love in any form, through gifts, cards, dates, or heartfelt gestures. Valentine's Week has gained popularity worldwide, especially among young people, as an occasion to celebrate relationships and spread love. It encourages expressions of affection, making it a time for joy, appreciation, and connection.